வாழ்க வளமுடன். Today's noble thought is humorous show sufferings of God. Once upon a time, the saints in the spiritual field who had known the value of prayer realized the Almighty through meditation. When they did narrate, it was known as Vedanta. During that time, for the people who were not advanced in consciousness, devotional discourse was started. God was shown as single monk, a shape was designed to do prayers. In the medieval time, in the devotional path, the prayer method got changed. Based on the psychology of man, the God was designed. It was not suitable for some to keep the lone statue for the God. They were thinking awful that God was alone. Along with the God, they kept the statue for the spouse. Marriages were held for God. In the later part of medieval time, some wanted to take revenge on the God. They had created children for the God in the lines of the man's suffering with their children. In the current modern age, some more innovation was happened. Decoration, gold and diamond ornaments, fireworks shows were added. Dresses were also changed, suiting the timely trend. Earlier time, animal leather was used. Later, fiber silk dress was made to wear. Nowadays, nylon dresses are put on God's statue. The God who made the man gave consciousness to him. The man whose consciousness is diverted made God himself to suffer. Till the time the man realizes that God himself has transferred as man, the humorous shows depicting that the God suffering like man would go on. வேதாத்ரி மகரிஷி. மனிதனை படைத்த கடவுள் மனிதனுக்கு அறிவாற்றலை அளித்தது. அறிவில் திசை மாறிய மனிதன் தெய்வத்தையே அல்லலுக்கு உள்ளாக்கிவிட்டான். தெய்வமே தானாகவும் உள்ளது என்ற உண்மையை பெரும்பாலோர் உணரும் வரையில் மனிதன் படும் பாடெல்லாம் தெய்வம் படுவதாக காட்டும் நகைச்சுவை ஹியூமரஸ் நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நடந்து கொண்டேதான் இருக்கும். வேதாத்ரி மகரிஷி.